Good morning, Internet. We're visiting now in Basilica Minor del Santo Niño de Cebu, which commonly known as Santo Niño Basilica or Santo Niño in Cebu. This is located in Cebu City, Philippines, and was founded in 1565. This is also the oldest Roman Catholic church in the country and built on the spot where the image of Santo Niño de Cebu was founded during the expedition of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, and also 1 minute walk from the Magellan's Cross. And this way is Dagkutanan, that's in Cebuano words, means light the red candles. So if you wish your prayers to be prayed privately, you may also visit this area. You can pick your own numbers of red candles, and it's for free, and also any donation will also do. So now I put my donation, and it's time for me to pick my own candles. So I light my candles. And during this vacation, I don't have my husband with me, so I bring t-shirt from my husband. So this is part of Filipino cultures in order to bless my husband. This is one of our belief from my family. So if the person is not with you during the visit in this church, you just bring something that you can bless. And there is also a sinulog festival in Cebu. This is the biggest and most popular festival. The feast is in honor of the Holy Child, the Santo Niño de Cebu. So the traditional celebration in Cebu City held every third Sunday of January, just to honor the Santo Niño. So the dance festival is done by the dance ritual in which it tells the story of the Filipino people's pagan past and their acceptance of Christianity.